Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is day 5 in my 12 days of planning, and this is going to be a video all about my favorite Christmas movies. I thought I'd make a fun page. So it's going to be on this last page because this is like really plain, and the stickers that I'm using is coming out of Family. And they're kind of bright and fun, and I really needed kind of more of a neutral page, so that's why I chose this one. So, and I already did label what I was gonna do on each page, so I can't show you any of the other pages because that would spoil the rest of the surprises. So, okay. There are 2 pages in here that have, these all say movie tickets, which is what I'm going to use, and they have gold foiling. And then these don't have gold foiling, but they say different things like aquarium, concert, county fair, theme park, stuff like that. So I'm going to use these. And then I'm going to kind of like layer with boxes and stuff. And then I'll fill it in. All right, so out of this winter, I'm going to use these like really deep red and label. Okay, so I'm going to white out this. Yeah. All right. I've been holding on to these letters for quite some time. All right, change of plans. In this holiday book, there's this big word that says favorite. So I wanted to use that just because. And then I think I'll spell out the rest. So slight change. So I have a few different things that I'm going to be looking at. So I found these on Facebook, like ones that are on Prime and Netflix and Hulu, Disney Plus. I'm not labeling where they are, but I'm probably mostly going to look at this. I don't remember who put this on their story, but I took a picture because a lot of those are my favorites as well. I'm not, I can't just do this off the top of my head. I have to like have a list of what my favorites are, So that's what I'm going to be looking at, and I'm just going to have them scattered all over the page. I'm taking boxes out of these 2 because the colors go really well. And let's start. quick. I like it. This is cute. I can't believe I almost forgot Home Alone. I was like, wait, I know I'm missing one. Yeah, and I've already watched all of them, like, this year already. So, yeah, those are definitely my favorites, and I can't believe I almost forgot. As I get closer to Christmas, I watch The Polar Express and Grinch. And then on Christmas Day, we always watch A Christmas Story. And then I was going to watch Elf with my husband. And It's a Wonderful Life. So cute. Oh, and I already watched all the Santa Clauses this year. So cute. All right. So that goes back into my Christmas planner. And that's it. So when you flip to the back, there it is. Aw, so cute. I like it because it's like colorful too. And I used a lot of colorful boxes that otherwise maybe I wouldn't use. I wouldn't grab for that often because I feel like I always just grab for the original colorful boxes, you know? All right, well, that is it. And that concludes day 5 of 12 days of planning. So make sure you continue to watch, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow on day 6. All right, bye guys.